Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngombekezeli Mbukazi, i-center back ye-Orlando Pirates ena-19-year-old. Yabo 19 years old center back ye-Orlando Pirates. Usathanda kupromote kwi-DC side ye-Orlando Pirates. Umjidi uyakhombisa impela ukuthi uyi-future captain ye-Orlando Pirates indlela ayimisela ngakhona, indlela adlala ngakhona. So ngizokhuluma ngaye la. Orlando Pirates inama-games abalulekile ezowadlala. Inama-games abalulekile ezowadlala nje kule weekend iyodlala against i-Pyramids FC. Yabo nje uyodlala against i-Pyramids FC. Leyo game it's a must win game because idlala home mase siyabuya kwi-return fixture kumele siyiwini nayo yabo. But mase ubheke ngomhla ka-3 May Orlando Pirates iyobhekana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. That's the Soweto derby yabo ngomhla ka-3 May. Mase ukuthi ngomhla ka-8 ngomhla ka-10 May Orlando Pirates iyodlala ifinal Nedbank Cup again kuzobe kuyi-Soweto derby yabo. Lawo ma-fixtures lawo mabili ngenzeka amise umbekezeli Mbukazi. Ngenzeka umbekezeli Mbukazi angawadlala lawo ma-games lawo bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle isquad sebafana sa-under 20 sikhishiwe. Squad sebafana sa-under 20 sikhishiwe and umbekezeli Mbukazi is part of that squad engenzeka sihambe siyele e-Egypt siyodlala. Not ukuthi kungenzeka part of leso squad yabo. Lawo ma-games azoqala ngomhla 27 April azaphele ngomhla ka-18 May. 27 April azaphele ngomhla 18 May. So ngenza nje umbekezeli Mbukazi ahambe ngempela singamboni yabo. Umidlala kahle ke bafana le yabo kuze kushawo 18 May umjida engabuyile ku-Orlando Pirates. So ngaba inkinga ngempela lo. Njengoba besho la kuthiwa Mdaka has included uMbukazi in his squad to take part in the tournament set to be played in Egypt from umhla ka-27 to 18 May. Amajita as the team is known to be in the group with Nigeria, Egypt ne-Morocco. Yabo bakwi-group enzima impela. Nayibona nje i-group yabo i-Nigeria, a tough opponent, Egypt, another tough opponent, mase kuba i-Morocco enye futhi tough opponent yabo. I-group of 30 le mesiba neqiniso bafethu. So umdlalo njengombukazi uyadingaka yabo kumajita singesazi-ke. Kuthiwa the tournament comes at a time when Mbukazi has become a key member of a Pirate side competing in 3 major competitions: the Betway Premiership, CAF Champions League and the Nedbank Cup yabo. But lana clubs are not forced to release players for the competition, so it remains to be seen if the Buccaneers will be willing to let one of their key players to go at this crucial stage of the campaign yabo. Kuthiwa ama-team la ku-Betway Premiership like muthanda ungangavumela ukuyekela umdlalo wakho yabo. Muthanda ungamgodla umdlalo wakho ungamhambisi nesquad sebafana because ama-competition owadlalayo yabo lo mdlalo anganisiza kona. So yabo as Orlando Pirates ngakwazi ukumgodla umbekezeli Mbukazi but ke asikakazi. Bayasho la kuthiwa without Thabiso Sisane and Olisanda as options for selection, Mbukazi has stepped up for Buccaneers with some matured performances that have helped. Usesize kakhulu bafethu Mbukazi yabo. Usesize kakhulu Orlando Pirates indlela adlala ngakhona since i-missing kaSesane beno Olisanda yabo. Uyabasiza uxoki lapha benosibisi indlela adlala ngakhona. So ngempela ukulahlekelwa uyena from le competition lezo bakhona ngaba inkinga ngempela. Abadlali abanjengomfundo Vilakazi nabo beKaizer Chiefs ba-include kule squad lesi AFCON esoba khona esohamba sile yabo e-Egypt. Nasi ke squad list esiphumile kuthiwa goalkeeper Fletcher, Lowe Smith, Takalani, Mazamba, uKokoling Ratisani, mase kuthi ama-defender uMbukazi, uHopoling, Thongwanyane. Sorry mengiwapronounce kabi lamagama bafethu. I'm not good with ama-language amaningi. Mase kuthiwa uTylon Smooth, Sifiso Timba, Aseko Tiwani weMamelodi Sundowns ngiyamazi ke yena, uNeo Rapu lo weSuperSport United. Mase kuthi ama-midfielders kuba uHomo Lemo Kekana, Patrick Awuthatha, Lazola Makomfundo Vilakazi, Fires Abrahams, Langelihle Phili udlalelani konje udlalela iStelisa if I'm not mistaken. Mase kuba uShakil April, Kuhlwane Lwetlako weSundowns again. Mase kuthi is forwards uJody Shene, mase kuthi uThabang Mahlango, mase kuthi uHomotso Modiba yabo. Akusisona nje isquad esiningi lesi yabo, isona squad lesi esithathiwe siyodlala iAFCON yabo. Sona le squad bafethu angifuqa amanga asithembisi ke but ke let's hope abafana bazokwazi ukusurvive kule group of death yabo. Ngokwena nithini, should we let go of umbekezeli Mbukazi play with his young guys with his age mates bayodlala le kwi-AFCON noma because ngabona enye i-interview bem-interview uMbezile Mbukazi about i-AFCON washo ukuthi yena ngokwakhe akakujabulela ukuhamba ayodlala i-AFCON le Egypt yabo no under 20 Leo under 20 because uyakuthanda impela ukudlala nama-age mates akhe lapha bedlali wabona ngosikhathi kudlala iCOSAF umshito wayejabule kanjani nawabona ama-video akhe so ngeke ngazi bafethu ngingathini lapha kuma comments ngangitshela ukuthi should we let go of uMbezile Mbukazi go and play i-AFCON noma we should keep the guy because uzosiza impela kulama competitions engiye siwadlala sine final sine Soweto Derby Champions League matches akhona yabo umjide samtiyanga impela ngangitshela ama comments uvana sports lo bafethu.